Hello, good morning Philippines, good evening America, good morning America, good evening Philippines. For today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang aking happiness in my heart. I'm happy because for how many years I've been doing dieting. I've been doing dieting, but since I have a problem with my tunis, it hurts. I cannot do much like working, or I cannot do anything. Just mostly I'm sitting down because of my both knee pain. So after my knee surgery, the other one will be my right knee will be almost a year already, and the other one is like 6 months. So, but they are both working good. So I decided to go on diet. So I did the not intermittent, calorie deficit. In my age, I'm 60 years old. We're supposed to eat at least 1,500 a day. So what I did is I've been doing this for 2 months already, and I saw the difference. Like I've been wearing 4XL down to 3XL and down to 2XL. Now I'm wearing extra large, and so I'm happy for that. I lose 8 lbs and 8 pounds, something like 8 pounds. You call it 8 pounds because I'm using the pounds thing. And that is in kilos, more than 4 kilos. So this one last year, this size is 2XL. It's so tight last year. Now, as you can see, it's really loose. So at first, after my knee surgery, little by little, I do the exercising, and I've done when my knees are already not tight already. Maging Tagalog na kasi na oy. Nung hindi na siya yung hindi na masyadong, although masakit pa siya. So, but I try. Even if it's hurting, I try. Ika nga, no pain, no gain. So yun, I walk 15 minutes. I started walking 15 minutes and it's fine. After weeks, I walk 30 minutes, and then next is 1 hour, until I decided to go walk for I'm not counting the time. When I look at the time, I already walked 2 hours. Like when we go on vacation in Florida, I really work hard walking there. So working my calorie deficit, I take 1,500 calories a day, and I make sure I have vegetables and fruits, and then fish, and then meat. I cannot eat meat always. I have to have vegetables. So yun nga ang nangyari. I feel better because after my knee surgery, I feel really better. I use my knees. That's what they said. When you have new knee, use it. That's what I did. So, ayun nga nangyari lately lang, the other day, hindi ka pwedeng magtimbang every day. Just a week, after a week, magtimbang ka. So, nagulat na lang ako kagabi nang magtimbang ako. I lose another 2 pounds. So, happy ako. I-share ko sa inyo kung ilan i-share ko sa inyo later on when I lose more pounds, because I really wanted to lose my pound. I'm 5 feet tall. So, at least I will lose more, and then I feel better. I feel strong like that. My knees are so strong, really. Now I started to walking the hilltop like this. I can even walk how many steps, the stairs. I can walk. At first, nahirapan ako nung pababa kasi mahirap talaga yun eh. Kasi yung impact ng pagbaba mo, yung dalawang tuhod mo, yung impact ng pagbaba mo, mahirap yun. So, kailangan alalay. But for now, I'm doing better in going down in the stairs with 1 step at a time, 1 step at a time. Not 1 step, 2 step, not 1 step, 2 step. No, not like that. 1 step at a time. But I'm doing good in going upstairs already, 1 by 1 upstairs like that, climbing like that. So yun na nga, ang saya-saya ko kasi yung talagang kahit na makikita nyo naman sa mukha ko, as you can see, my face is worse. I get darker. Oh my God, because of walking, I walk every day. Look at my ano. This one is so fit last year, and then this year I started. I throw my 4XL, 3XL, and I still keep my second 2XL. And I'm buying some clothes that is like XL, like the jacket. I buy the jacket, the XL jacket. It fits me. I'm so happy. I used to have like, I have a lot of jacket like 4XL because namana ko yun sa balai ko. Gustong-gusto kong sinusuot to nung ako ay napakataba pa. So ngayon, nag-start ako pa isa-isa pa unti-unti. May mga sales ngayon. Especially, it's summer in US ngayon. It's summer in USA where you can buy sale jacket, where you can buy winter clothes for on sale. And during the winter, you can buy the summer clothes. Like, it's so cheap, really cheap. So I started buying XL and tried to fit it. It's good. I'm so happy with it. I just want to share all of you guys that it's really not too late to do something good for yourself, be better for yourself, and be healthy for yourself because we never know. Hindi ako natatakot na mawala sa mundo, pero I still want to spend my being senior like comfortable, hindi ka hinihingal, huminga. Alam mo yon yung there come to the point na I cannot like when I go walking like 15 minutes, I do like that. At first doing exercise, and one thing more I want to share it to you guys. I do Tai Chi. At first I started doing Tai Chi like every day. I'm doing Tai Chi all together with my calorie deficit. I'm doing walking like 10,000 steps or more, 14,000 steps a day, but always 10,000 steps like that every day. That's every day, Monday to Sunday. And then I'm doing my Tai Chi, my Monday to Sunday. I'm doing the 15 minutes Tai Chi. If you're senior and you're watching this right now, try the Tai Chi. You don't have to run, but lahat ng parte ng katawan mo magagalaw. Lahat ng nakatayo ka lang. Mag-exercise ka. Try it. It's a Tai Chi. You call it like Tai Chi. T-A-I and C-H-I. Yan. That's for senior. And you lose weight in that too. And then it's good for your health also. So that's what I try. I have my calorie deficit. I have Tai Chi. I have walking thing. So it's not easy. I saw my yung bang nakita ko yung pagpayat ko this past few days lang. Kasi during the first month, hindi mo talaga mafe-feel yun eh. Although yung mga bra ko, it's really funny. Yung mga bra ko, I have when I was like 8 years ago, 10 years ago, I have my old bra still there because I don't wear always bra. If I can only go outside without bra, I will. But I have those bra when I was in you call this Qatar. When I was in Qatar, I have a lot of bra, which when I get here, I get fat. I have to use the 4 inches extension. Like you can put it at the back. You can order it online actually. You can put it at the back of your bra. And now I'm so happy. I remove all the extension and I can use my bra without any extension. So I'm just so happy. Yun lang guys. Even if you're 60, be happy on whatever you're doing. Make sure that you like what you're doing, because if not, you don't like what you're doing, you will be depressed. You will be depressed. You will be sad. Like you can eat in calorie deficit. You can eat what you want as long as it's 1,500 in my age. I need to eat 1,500 calories a day. I can eat beef, I can eat pork, I can eat chicken. I can eat what I want as long as like nami-maintain mo yung calorie deficit mo a day. So yun lang guys. Kaya this morning I have steam sweet potato. This is 2 pieces this morning. And then I have my black coffee without sugar. So that is like 2 pieces of this one is 160 calories, and I only eat 1. And it's already 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not yet hungry yet because I'm boiling some I'm boiling some meat to make like a soup like that. for my lunch and my dinner. So this is the vegetable that I'm going to put. So yun lang guys, I would like to say thank you everyone, and thank you. I hope you like this video. I hope I inspired you guys. Even if you're old, it's okay. Even if you're single, it's okay. I'm single too for how many decades, but still I'm happy. It's really acceptance and love yourself. And if there's someone comes in your life that he will really love you, go ahead, go for it. But I'm happy now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video.